If you are sitting on a mountain of home equity but are afraid to access it because you don't want to lose your historic 3% mortgage rate, you need to learn about the HELOC immediately. A home equity line of credit, or HELOC, acts like a giant credit card secured by your house that sits in second position behind your primary mortgage. This means you can tap into the value of your home to pay for renovations, consolidate high-interest credit card debt, or cover emergency expenses without ever touching the low rate on your main home loan. Unlike a cash-out refinance where you have to trade in your entire mortgage for a new one at today's higher rates, a HELOC allows you to keep your cheap mortgage exactly where it is and only pay the higher market interest rate on the specific amount of cash you actually withdraw. It is the ultimate tool for financial flexibility, giving you access to thousands of dollars in spending power while only charging you interest on what you use. At lower mortgage rates, we show you how to leverage your equity intelligently to build wealth, not just debt. Subscribe to the channel right now to unlock the full financial power of your home.